Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today's video is a very highly requested video and you want to know how much I spending last year 2020 buying a Louis Vuitton bag. It's a very scary thing because you guys know I don't really do the math and I just put down the information on paper and I was kind of shocked. At the end, I'm going to tell you, you're not going to believe how much I spent. Okay, so this is the video I really try to avoid. Until you do all the math, you didn't really know how much you spent. So I was kind of like, oh wow, that is kind of a lot. Or not a lot, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the bag that I purchased throughout the 2020. The order could be off a little bit, but you get the point, okay? In the first part of 2020, before April, I was so good because I remember very clearly on 2019, I say, I'm not gonna buy Louis Vuitton this year, I'm gonna be good, blah, 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 blah. Clearly that didn't happen. I wonder why. So I start buying Louis Vuitton online shopping in the April timeframe. And I gotta be honest with you, prior to that, I don't think I bought any Louis Vuitton online because I always go to the store, see my CA. I have a Louis Vuitton client advisor across the country. So as I travel, I meet them and I buy items, blah, blah, blah. But then pandemic hit, so nobody can really travel out. So I start exploring buy online. The first item I got was the, hold please, I wrote this down, the Nano Noi. And this bag is $1,180. By the way, I know recently there's a price increase. I am not sure is this what I pay, but if it could be a little bit different, but you know, you get the point. But anyway, for right now, the retail price right now is $1,180. And this is, oh my God, this is my edition of a Nano. Because, how do I say that? Prior to pandemic, I travel a lot, so my bag is always tote bag, large bag, because I want to put stuff in there. But since last year I didn't travel, and you can't travel, so I'm thinking, oh, maybe get smaller bag. So this is my first Nano, super, super cute. After that, I got my dream bag. It's like a unicorn bag for Louis Vuitton that everybody wanted. It's pretty affordable for Louis Vuitton, but it's so hard to get. It is a Nano Speedy. And I think I got this within the same month, okay? Don't ask me why and how I did it, but I got it. And this is also $1,180. So that's all in around April time frame. And after that, I was really into Nano. So they launched a brand new Nice Nano. Oh my God. So I also got this around May or June. So this is the Nice Nano, and this is a $720. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna list all this unboxing video below so you can check it out individually. Super, super cute. I mean, it's like, and I was totally into Nano. I mean, it looks so tiny, but it holds a lot of stuff. I was blown away. Then, of course, during that time, everybody know there's a cloud collections for men's. I think it was a spring 20. Yeah, spring 20. So I pre-ordered this, and I can't believe I got this. And this is the soft trunk. This is like unbelievable. I got it. So thank you, CA, Tiffany from Bloomingdale, San Francisco, Louis Vuitton store. She got this for me. I was so happy. And this baby is $24.30. Unbelievable. I mean, I complained a little bit about this bag, but overall, I just think it's a beautiful collection. And I got it. I'm just so happy I got it. So this is around July or August time frame. I don't remember, but somewhere around that time. How are we doing so far? There's a 4 bag now. And then Louis Vuitton launched a brand new, hold on. It's a Petit Sac Play, I think. And I got this. Another Nano bag. Oh my God, this is so cute. So this is, let me how much? $13.60. So $13.60. So after that, I also purchased the multi-pochette. So the picture right here, multi-pochette for $2,050. Okay, and then right before Christmas, I was able to get my hand on the Game On toiletry bag, and this baby is $675. Okay, so far we have all this here. And then towards end of the year, technically I didn't buy this. This is my Christmas gift, but I thought since this is my bag, so I'm gonna put it all in the same category. I got my amazing bum bag from Louis Vuitton, and this one is, how much did he pay? $17.60. And I'm gonna tell you real quick, when I first saw this about 2 years ago, when I launched it, I'm like, who's gonna wear a Fendi pad? It's so ugly. But then when I bought the Jeffree Star bum bag, I was like, oh, that's really cute. I've been using it all the time. Then my partner say, honey, we love Jeffree Star, but you cannot be a Jeffree Star handbag. I mean, it's just not you. It gotta be Louis Vuitton. So he got this for me for my Christmas gift. And I've been using this every day. Well, even if I'm not traveling, obviously I'm not traveling. What I mean is, this is becoming my daily handbag. Just so easy to use. I mean, I put a link below on how I use this bag. Just so amazing. So this is all the bag that I have. So how many I bought? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bag. 8. And the total spending of this bag, are you ready? I spent. There's something else I gotta tell you real quick. I know I'm being so dramatic, right? One thing that I want to kind of tell people that I am not a Louis Vuitton collector. Collector meaning that they buy the bag and they collect. I don't think I'm not at that level yet. So what I'm doing is really that I buy what I think is the best value at a time, and then that will fit in my lifestyle, right? And I typically don't buy something over $2,000 because I think after $2,000 that's just a lot of money. So I usually buy smaller bag, kind of like this right here. Yeah, this is $2,400, but this is the only one over $2,000. Everything is under that, right? And then what happened is that I look at my closet, anything that I don't use more than a year or so, I will sell them. And then I sell them, I take the money and I reinvest for the new bag. That's how I'm managing to get different bags throughout the year. So the total retail for this, hold on, 8 bag, okay? Total retail 8 bag is about, oh my goodness, this is kind of scary though. Take a guess how much is everything together. It's about $11,355. But did I pay $11,355? Did I pay $11,355? No, I don't. I only pay roughly around $6,000. So how did I pay only $6,000 but get the value for $11,000? The reason why is I sold my older bag and then take that money, buy the newer bag. And as here you see, I don't have the multi-pochette anymore because I bought it. I really like it for the photo shoot and Instagram, but I found that it's really not a functional bag at all, and it doesn't really hold anything. And I found there's so many compartments in there, different zipper. It's just not functional for me, so I sold the bag. And when I sold that, I didn't really, well, actually I lost quite a bit. I lost about $500, but that's okay, you know. I mean, anyway, so that's why how I spend my money smart, I guess. So basically anything that I don't use for a long time, and I will sell them. And the reason why that you gotta be careful if you're gonna do what I'm doing is that you really want to be careful the bag that you purchase is high value or high demand or super limited. Otherwise, nobody gonna want to buy that bag. And if you want to know where I sold my bag, how much I make my bag from the past collections, leave a comment below. Maybe I'll do a video and share my secret with you, okay? But so this is, yeah. So wow, so last year, the retail value is $11,355. But in reality, I only spent $6,000. And that's a lot of money. But let me tell you this though. If you buy a Chanel bag, $6,000. It literally is one bag from Chanel. And I got all this. All of this. I think I'm pretty happy with that, right? Okay, so I just want to share this with you. A lot of people is asking me about how much I spent in 2020 in Louis Vuitton, and this is how much I spent. And there's something I want to tell you real quick here. This is actually not all the bag I purchased. I also give away quite a few. Remember that advent calendar? Yeah, I give away a lot of Louis Vuitton bag, the smaller pieces, accessory, clothing. I didn't even count that. All I count is the handbag. Wow, that's kind of scary. Now if I do the math, I'll be even more than that. Okay, anyway, I can't wait to start 2021, continue purchase my Louis Vuitton. As you know, I already got one. I put a video beneath, you can take a look. I already got one. I wonder how much I'm going to spend for this year though. Very interesting. I want to say thank you so much for watching my crazy video. It means a lot to me. Share my video, like my video, and follow my YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel. That means a lot to me. I will see you guys next time. Bye!